So we just made it to Santorini. I've never been to Greece before. It's clearly beautiful. Now I'm gonna get ready because that flight was really early this morning.
And then we're gonna go see the sunset.
I got my luggage after our flight and this is what it looks like.
No, this is not what it looks like before.
I just did a lightweight makeup look because as much as I love a caked face, I want it to be natural today. I don't know. I don't like that word. Anyway, I'm now wearing this dress. But I'm now wearing this dress from ASOS. It has like a zipper all the way down the side, which is kind of fun, kind of fresh. I want to see my makeup in the sun. Okay, we're glowing. It's just a glow check. I always need a glow check before we leave. This is my favorite lip gloss. It's by Kopari and it smells like coconuts. I'm awake for who knows why, but I'm gonna go look at the sunrise. It's finally light out, so I'm gonna go find a spot to I'm just gonna follow some YouTube exercise videos. Let's go. This is one of the videos that I'm doing today. It's by Chloe Ting, and she's one of my favorite fitness YouTubers. And this is the view while I do that. Let me show you my outfit. I'm wearing this top that I guess is from this brand called Sadie and Sage. That's what it says, but I actually thrifted it. We are full on hiking to lunch. He's being so still. Can you guys even see him? Oh my god, I couldn't even see him. Is he waving? He waved! Allegedly, this is the town that we're going to. We came from the other side of that. We're going there. Two hours later, we finally made it to the top.
It's an avocado! Thanks!
This is how much I tanned just walking to the restaurant. we're gonna walk down to the beach. It's apparently 270 stairs, so we're trying to get to that level, and the stairs go all the way that way to get to that level. I'm covered from like head to toe because yesterday I got sunburned for the first time in like 10 years because I don't usually burn easily. Wrong 270 step path, which is really great because I'm pretty sure we already went down 100 steps that we have to walk back up. But clearly, okay, no, there's probably like, no. I don't think that this is a good idea. There's probably a cliff that we can fall off of, that's why it's closed. Replay the clip where I said there would be a cliff. It's probably a cliff that we can fall off of. Now back up to the top, even though we did not get very far. Here's another sign that allegedly will take us to the beach. That is a big oof. But I guess it'll be worth it because that looks really pretty. Okay, it's backlit, but these are the stairs that we just came down. Oops. And then we have to go back up. This is the new view. Not bad. Not bad. We're waiting for the ferry to Mykonos. These are all of my friends. Say hi! It's our cute new hotel. It's adorable. I don't remember if I said this, but we're now in Mykonos. I've been coughing so much though, I think I'm losing my voice once again.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.